you're an architect or a structural engineer and you want to enter timber residential design and construction field, my question for you: have you ever been at a construction site? Do you know the common materials used in timber residential projects? Do you know the common commercial products used in timber residential projects? Do you know the common footing systems? Do you know how the whole building is put together? The construction procedures. What goes first? What comes second? And how do you consider all these in your proposed design, making your design buildable and cost effective? I always say that a good chef knows their ingredients, and a good structural engineer and architect should know the materials they can specify in their designs. And if you haven't been at a construction site before, or you don't have the required construction knowledge to make sure your designs are buildable and cost effective, I invite you to join our construction site visit event, where we talk about the common materials and products used in timber residential construction, the construction challenges that you need to consider in your design, as well as the parties involved and how to collaborate with these parties effectively to ensure a smooth delivery of your project. And all these will make you a prime candidate for the role you're planning to apply for. Also, your clients would be more willing to work with you because of the smooth delivery and the ability to foresee the construction challenges and implement that in your design in the very early stages. So don't forget, join our construction site visit and gain the on-site construction knowledge you need to bulletproof your designs.